Welcome to It's Raining the Holy Spirit. Be glad then, ye children of Zion, and rejoice in the Lord your God, for he hath given you the early rain moderately. At Pentecost, never been withdrawn. And he will cause to come down for you the rain, the early rain and latter rain. Did you notice those who receive the latter rain also have received the early rain? And it shall come to pass in the last days, saith God, I will pour out my Spirit upon all flesh. Peter preached at Pentecost. John wrote, and after these things I saw another angel come down from heaven, having great power, and the earth was lightened with his glory. How many have their umbrellas up, sheltered from the early and latter rains? This umbrella will stop any rain. Are you walking in the rain? Holy Spirit fire surrounds the earth, quickly followed by Jesus' return. We plead, Holy Spirit, rain on us.